Hello everybody, it's Caleb. If you have already installed Phoenix framework on Windows, you can skip this video because it is intended for the guys using Debian Linux or Linux. In here we are looking for the Phoenix framework using any given search engine, and we are going to click on the first link because it is the official website. And Phoenix framework is quite convenient to write web applications, so we need to click on guides in order for them to tell us how to proceed with the installation. So we're going to click over this page on Let's Get Phoenix Installed. And in the previous videos we got installed Erlang and Elixir, so that's the prerequisite. And here we need to install this dependency manager Hex. Let me tell you that this series of videos don't require you to know how to program. As you will see, it is quite easy to write web applications these days. Nevertheless, you will grasp some programming concepts. In here we type mixlocal.x, which is provided for you. You can copy and paste it, and we answered yes because we wanted to install it, and we got our results. Hex 2.0.6 got installed in our computer. Now it is time for us to install the Phoenix application generator, and again the command is given for you. You can type it, or you can copy and paste. It's up to you. But at the end of the day, make sure you don't misspell anything, because otherwise you will encounter an error. And we are typing very slow in here. No need to rush. And again, they are asking us to say yes or no. And Phoenix generator, the generator application, has been installed. It was quite easy. We are not going to install PostgreSQL because we are using SQLite. And in the next video we are going to start with the classical hello world. So stay tuned. Thank you very much. Bye for now.